Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Just Queen Wells. Those of you who are coming back, thank you. Those of you who are new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell below so you will know every time that I upload a video. I am going to show you some great items that I got for this winter and fall season. Although fall is over, girl, it's winter time, but still I got some great bargains for you. It is my goal to make sure that you are finding those items that are going to enhance your wardrobe. And if you want to see what I picked up, just keep on watching. Okay, so you guys know I have my favorite stores online, and I have them in my Arizona area. So today I kind of mixed up a few different things that I picked up that I actually just love, because you know Santa was good. Santa was good. And this winter the most sought after pieces are going to be your sweater crop tops. They are a great find. I have a few. I'm not going to show, I've shown one or two in this video, but most of them are going to be in that video coming up, because it's going to be my little after Christmas haul. So today I want to show you the shoes that I picked up. So for this, I got these little shoes right here, and I got these from Nordstrom's rack. The reason why I got these shoes is because they have a nice low heel, and they are made out of fabric and a little bit of leather on the heel part of it. But these are just really cute. They're in a winter kind of winter white, which I love to wear with my jeans, if I'm wearing a little crop top, even a long skirt. These are really cute. And you know, chunky heels are always a good thing, especially those who don't like walking in stilettos or anything like that. These are a great find. I believe I paid about 49 bucks for these. When I went to Nordstrom's, they had a few in there, different colors, so you want to check out Nordstrom's for these shoes. I got them in a size 7. The next pair I got these actually from Burlington's Coat Factory, I believe. And these were just cute. They're little patent leather booties. I love booties. I can wear these with a nice skirt. I can put these on when I really want to dress up. I was thinking about wearing these for New Year's, but I chose a different outfit. But these are just super cute. Again, you see the chunky heel coming into play. And they're not too high. You can put these on and, girl, you can walk around all afternoon with these. These are perfect for a nice night out where you want to just get some bling on your feet. For these I paid $19.99. So these are a great find at Burlington. Yes, I absolutely love these shoes. I hope you guys can see them. Let me move back a little bit. Yeah, so I got those. Some other items that I got is I was trying to find perfect belts. So I actually ordered these belts off of Amazon. And I have two. Let me show, let me open this one up. Because these, you know, belts are great, especially if you want to wear them over top of jackets or with a dress. So with these belts, they actually go right between these two little notches. And the belt kind of hugs you. Let me just take this off so you can see. Well, I have one already open. So this one is another one. A little bit different from this one, but pretty much almost the same type of belt. This one is a nice gray leather. This one I've already worn. I got lots of compliments on it. So it just goes around your waist. You put it through one hoop and then through the other hoop. And it kind of like just hangs like that. So yeah, that's just super cute, I thought. So I can wear this with my jackets. I can put it on with a nice cute dress. Yeah, I just really like it. And they come in different sizes. I got mine's in a medium because I wanted this to hang a little bit further down. They got small and large. So do pick yourself up some belts from Amazon. I'll put the link and the information below. Now, on to the clothes. I decided to pick up some items from, oh my gosh, so many stores. So let's just get with it. I got this pair of nice little red pants. I got this from my sister's closet. I just thought these were really cute. It was my plan to wear these towards the Christmas holidays. I did not get the opportunity to, but these are very lightweight. I got these in a size small. And you know my sister's closet is very affordable. And these just have that wide leg to them that will look great in some nice heels and a nice little crop top or something like that. It zips up on the side. Again, this is a size small. I need to iron these, but these are super, super cute. I'll take some pictures in these and post them to my Instagram. If you are not following me on Instagram, you're missing my pictures. So go check me out, Just the Queen Wales, on Instagram. I usually try to style some of my own clothes from my own shop. So do go check me out. The next pair of items I got these from TJ Maxx. And I wanted a really cute pair of blue jeans that I could kind of dress up. But, you know, we're going to look cute. I got these in a size 7 because when I tried them on, they fit my tush perfectly. Really big in the waist, but that's all right. I can get them altered, or I can alter them myself. These are just cute, almost like mom jeans. So they're ankle, they go to your ankle, they don't go lower than that. So I thought with a nice little pair of high heels, this would look so cute. Even with my little boot cut shoes, these would look great. So they have a little bit of distress in the knee, and then it just tapers down at the bottom, which I think would look perfect with a little cute sweater. So it's stretchable, and it's just really, really soft. I love their jeans. It gives you a lot of room in the caboose. So go check these out at TJ Maxx. They were having a sale, so they have plenty of these jeans. They were on sale, at $16.99. I believe they were half off on this. That sale may not be going on, but I'll put the information for these jeans below. You can also order them online. The next thing I got, which I also got from, let's see, I got this from Burlington Coat Factory. These are what I was going to wear for my New Year's, but I decided to go a different route. These are just so super cute. It has this little bling right here on the side, which and little crystals, which I thought was just so cute. I actually bought those pair of patent leather booties to go with this. I wasn't sure whether I was going to put on a pair of stilettos, well, high heels, or those boots, but because it was cold as hell, girl. These are cute. They are actually little stretch pants. I got these, oh, hair everywhere. I got these in a size small. I just actually love these. The waist is nice and high with a nice crop top or a little halter. These would be so beautiful. I mean, definitely a date night. The next thing I'm going to show you is this little blue top. I got this from my sister's closet as well. I just thought it was super casual. Nothing, nothing super great about it. It's from Ellen Tracy. Of course, I told you how their clothes are very affordable. This is just a cute little relaxed blouse that I thought I could put on with a nice little off-white pair of jeans or something like that. Even a pair of stretch pants would look cute with this because it'll kind of cover your tush as you're wearing it and look just really put together. So I really like this top. You can't have too many great freaking tops. So the next items I got these from TJ Maxx, and you know my goals for as far as my thoughts for getting into shape is my goal to stay in shape. So I'm working out quite a bit, and I'm always wearing like my jacket, putting on my jacket over top of this, over top of that. So I actually went to TJ Maxx to just pick up some things. They had these great looking little jackets, sweatshirts. I thought these were so cute. They are so freaking soft. They have just long sleeves, and they have of course, the little thumb area. I picked up a few of these. I got this one in petite small because I'm short, but it fits perfect. It has a lot of stretch in it. These tops cost me $19.99. I got it in this kind of aqua dark greenish blue. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. And then I went ahead and I picked up the same jacket in a black, and girl, I had to get the same one in white. You cannot have too many of these. They are great to toss right over top of your sports bra. And if you get hot in the gym, take your jacket off, tie it around your waist, and you got your sports bra on. So these are perfect for me to go to the gym in. I can just grab it, put it on, I can be good to go. You can wear these in any type of weather, and I think they are a bargain at $19.99. Anywhere else you'd be paying like 30 bucks for them. So all of those were $19.99. TJ Maxx has plenty of colors. They are great quality, so go and check that out. The next item I got this from TJ Maxx as well. It is a, like I said, crop top sweaters. This is a super soft sweater. Oh, I love it. It actually ties on the side just a little bit. You can pull a string and make it go up on the side. Of course, I would just wear it with just hanging on the side. It has a nice round collar to it. Like I said, it is super soft. The sleeves are puffy, so it just looks well put together with some jeans, stretch pants, skirt, whatever you want to wear with this top, you could wear. It's like a cream color. So you see my theme, ladies. And this top was actually $16.99. So this was a great bargain for me, and I absolutely love these little crop sweaters. I like my sweaters a little bit fitted. I do like some to be oversized, but it just depends on my mood. Another item I absolutely love, you know I love clothes that look bohemian. This was just a freaking cute little dress. I can wear this in the wintertime with a nice little pair of boots. It's long sleeves. It just gives you that super casual, I'm just blowing in the wind type look. I've already got some perfect pictures in mind for this outfit. I love the top of it. It just ties right here. I got this in a small. And like I said, with a nice little slip underneath this. This is just super, super cute. The colors are vibrant. It just gives you that nice relaxed feeling. I can't wait to wear this. I got the perfect boots that I ordered. I'm hoping those will come in so I can wear this. And this can definitely go from winter to summer real nice. So this was $39.99. It's from the Young, Fabulous, and Broke collection from TJ Maxx. So do go check them out. You can also find them online. I went and looked and ordered a few more of these dresses from their site. So they are very affordable, and I'll put that information below so you can go check them out. Now, let's get to just Queen Wales fashion. I wanted to bring in some items from my shop just to, just to wing it just a little bit. So anyway, I picked up this from my store. I absolutely love it. It's just super cute. It's not showing up very well. It's like a, what could I call this? It's not a green, but it's, like a greenish blue. Like a turquoise almost. It's just a super cute little dress. It's form-fitting. You can size it up to make it a little bit looser. I got this in a size medium. It fits me perfectly. I love the pattern on this. If you can, to pair this with a nice black jacket or with a nice leather jacket with some boots underneath, it's just absolutely perfect. The color is very vibrant for this fall and winter, so yeah. And I believe I'm selling these for like $18.99. Next item I picked up from my store is this little freaking dress. I wanted to see how this would fit, and it is just so cute. It has the seams on the outside. The sleeves are long and fitted, and then they open up at the bottom, which is super, super cute. And it has a little hood on here. Of course, I wouldn't put the hood on my head, but yeah, the hood just brings a little sass to the whole outfit. This is the back of it. Again, it's going with the theme that it's all the stitching is on the outside. But this freaking skirt, this dress looks fabulous when you put it on. I'm telling you, it's super sexy, but it can take you from dinner or over mom's house, from the mall. It just depends on how you want to wear it. You can wear it with a nice pair of flat shoes. You can put this on with a nice pair of boots. You can sex it up with a nice pair of heels. I'm going to show you how I actually styled this, because I absolutely love this dress. It is just really nice. And to go along with this dress, what I did was I picked up this little coat from my website. I got this in a size 9, and it is just so cute. I like these oversized little jackets because I think it just brings you a lot of warmth to whatever you're wearing. It has a button right here on the bottom. You can see those buttons right here. This is just a really, really nice coat. Like I said, I got a medium because I wanted it to come down kind of low. It comes down almost to my ankles. I love that, especially when it's cold outside. I can put something super sexy underneath here. I can put up the collar. You know, this is a really nice coat. Go check my website out, and I'm not sure what my cost is for this. I will link it below. I have these in a few different colors as well. This is camel. I believe I have it in black, and I believe I have it in blue. That is it. That's all I have in this haul. So do go check out my sister's closet. It is super affordable used clothing. Go check out TJ Maxx. You know I love them, and they have great bargains. And then go check out Burlington Coat Factory. It's another one of my favorites. And don't forget my store, JustQueenWalesFashion.com. As always, I love you guys. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you soon with another video on some great bargains. Mwah! See you later. Stay safe and stay blessed. Bye.